In this video, we are going to see how we can check the edit history in Google Docs. So let's say if you want to see what is edited on a specific day and you want to head over back to a previous version before it was edited, you can simply switch to that using the file menu and you click on the version history, click on see version history, which will show you the complete history day by day. Let's say that we have formatted on a specific date and we have inserted some images, but now you have decided to switch back to a previous version of the document like this one, and all the other versions you have. So whatever you want to restore as a version, as you can see, the changes are all highlighted here. So you want to restore this version, you can just click on the three dots and click on restore this version, click on restore, and you will get the version before it was edited multiple times. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.